It was just after 1 p.m. The weather was sunny. An angler, Thomas, was fishing by a pond. He had just cast his fishing rod into the deep water. He used worms as his bait. The pond was teeming with fish. Sitting under a shady tree, he waited patiently for the fish to tug at his line. To him, fishing was an exciting and thrilling pastime. All of a sudden, something caught his attention. He spotted an osprey, a bird of prey all the way from the Soviet Union, perch on another tree a distance away. He was curious and wanted to keep track of its movements. Such birds were rare in Singapore. He used his binoculars to keep an eye on this migratory bird's movements. It must have flown here to seek refuge from the long, harsh winter months in the northern hemisphere. Soon it flew off to look for food. It soared majestically in the open sky and soon circled overhead. Thomas scanned its movements with his binoculars. The bird was so carefree and majestic. Without warning, it swooped down in full flight. It was a spectacular feat. The bird must, apparently, have caught sight of its prey. It was heading for the pond. Thomas was very excited to be able to catch a glimpse of the bird catching a fish. The bird flew over the surface of the water and was seen clutching a fish in its talons. The fish was struggling, but it could not get off the grip of the bird's talons. The bird landed on a branch and was soon enjoying its meal.